Welcome back. My name is Kerry, and today I'm going to show you a line of modern prefab homes that are available now. It doesn't matter if you're in the market for a new home or just like to see what's going on. It can be challenging to find every single option. Until I really started looking, I had no idea just how many options were available. And I'm in the industry. It doesn't make any sense. With that being said, it is time to add another to your list right after hitting the like button for the YouTube algorithm. The company I'm talking about is called Joyline Homes, and you know what? Let's just get right into it. Joyline Homes is a prefab home company located in California, offering customizable single-family homes, ADUs, and tiny homes. The first thing that caught my attention with Joyline was their slogan, "Where modern meets affordable," which is something that I feel like many people are looking for these days that is getting harder to find. So it'll be interesting to see if they can deliver. Their website says, and I quote, "Our mission is to bring high-end, fully customizable homes that are cost-effective and built faster than the current standard. You don't have to sacrifice quality for cost." Okay, I'm listening. It goes on to say that a home can be completed for less than half the cost and timeline with the exact same building materials found in a site-built home. What we're dealing with here is a line of homes ranging in size from 431 square feet up to almost 2,300 square feet. And yeah, most of them do have a modern look. First things first, as always, there are a couple things that should probably be discussed right up front. Mainly, where are these available? According to their website, Joyline Homes are available in multiple states, mainly focused in the West, but what's available where depends on the model and how it's built. Another factor that people seem to be quite interested in is whether or not a home can be customized, and in this case, yes, they can. It's noted that they want their clients to see a Joyline home as a blank canvas and release their creative inspirations. A nice option without a doubt for people who know exactly what they want but maybe haven't been able to find it anywhere else. With that said, a blank canvas is not for everyone, and they do have a list of models and standard features to get the ball rolling. Personally, I am not a blank canvas guy. I thrive in more of a paint by numbers situation, and they've got both, so we're good. The next logical question before I get into some of the different models they've got available is, what are the steps in actually getting one of these things? It says from the first phone consultation to moving in is 12 to 24 weeks. So here's what has to happen in between. Joyline has broken their process down into 10 steps. Step 1 is to email or call. Step 2 is select the location for your new home. Step 3 is establish budget and apply for financing if needed. You know what? This is an important step, and I feel like it's one that doesn't get mentioned enough. Step 4 is pre-development site review and any required studies for your site. Step 5 is choose your Joyline model, finalize design choices, and place your home in order. Step 6 is file for lot development permits. Step 7 is site prep by your local contractor. Step 8 is home is built in factory. Step 9 is delivery. And finally, Step 10 is home installation and install of custom finishes. Let's take a look at a few of these homes. As I previously mentioned, Joyline has a fairly wide range of models as far as size is concerned, starting at 431 square feet and going all the way up to 2,300 square feet. I am going to approach this backwards because one of the coolest looking homes in their line is one of their larger models called the Pines. The Pines is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home that comes in at 1,731 square feet with an exterior that is sure to turn a few heads. The description says, with unique features like an impressive glass partition wall and a sweeping master suite, the Pines epitomizes striking modern elegance with a highly functional and versatile floor plan. Starting with the exterior of this home, there are a couple things you'll likely notice right away that set it apart. First is the cladding. One of the customization options available from Joyline is this cladding that you're looking at right now. It is a cool look, and I like the design they chose. Gives it a little extra something. They could have easily had almost the exact same look without the design factor in the wood, but it's a nice addition that gives this thing more pizzazz. By simply adding the spaces in the cladding, it makes a big difference on the overall look, and I don't know about you, but I like it. There will likely be people out there that think this is a bit much, and that's fine. The original exterior is shown in a rendering with lap siding, so that's an option as well. can definitely keep the look a bit more traditional if that's what you're looking for. The second standout item that got my attention is the layout, which is a contributing factor to the style of the exterior. The home has a bit of a U-shaped design and it creates different sections within the home. Let's see what they've got going on here. The Pines is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home that's split into a few different sections. One section of the home has the living room, kitchen, and office. The way I see it, this is the section of the home that's likely going to get the most amount of use during the hours that my eyes are open. If my steps were being tracked, it would be between these 3 areas with an occasional trip over to the bathroom. Wake up, eat, work in the office, maybe go do something fun, repeat. The middle of the home has the dining room. Pretty self-explanatory, but also more space than I need. I would eat breakfast and lunch at the island, and if I wasn't eating outside, I would eat dinner in the dining room. In a perfect world. In the real world, I'm probably going to eat in the living room, so for a dining room, it's too much space for me. I'd want to use a portion of that space for something else because I'm not a big sit down at the table guy. The final section of the home has the bedrooms and bathrooms. The way they have it set up, the main bedroom has outside access, which is a nice touch, and it has an ensuite with a shower before a walk-in closet. The main bathroom is off the dining room through a short hall shared with the second bedroom. If you're sitting there thinking, hang on, I thought he said this was a 3-bedroom. Yeah, it is. On this plan, the third bedroom is labeled as the office, but if you want to use it as a 3rd bedroom, go right ahead. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, or a 2-bedroom, 1-office, 2-bathroom. Your pick. It all really just depends on the needs of whoever's buying. All in all, a great layout with a few cool touches on the exterior. Next, I want to show what they've got available at the other end of the spectrum. One of the smaller homes currently available from Joyline is a 1-bedroom out of their ADU line called the Elm. I'm thinking this must be a fairly new addition to the line because it doesn't have as many details as some of the other options, but still worth a look. The exterior of the Elm rendering shows lap siding with a shed-style roof and a folding door out of the living room. The main entrance lands just off the living room with easy access to the bathroom straight ahead. What I like about this plan is they've got a full-size fridge, stove, and dishwasher in the kitchen, so all the essentials are covered, and one could cook an old-fashioned ham dinner if one felt inclined to do so. Right near the middle of their sizes, another model that I think people are going to like is their Hemlock. The Hemlock is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home that is similar to the Pines, except it's more of an H than a U and slightly smaller at 1,200 square feet. I like this look. I do. However, I think it has to be a special lot to really get the most out of it. I probably wouldn't put this on any old city lot. I think it needs a little more room to breathe to make it make sense. The way they have the Hemlock set up, they've got an entrance on the front on the right side of the middle section that lands near the bathroom and kitchen. Again, this home is split into 3 sections. One side has the kitchen, a bathroom, and a bedroom. The entire section in the middle that joins the 2 outside sections is the living room. Then the other side has the main bedroom with an ensuite, laundry, and bedroom 3 or an office. Given the choice, I think I would go with the Hemlock, but with the exterior cladding that's on the Pines. That's going to be the best size and layout for me out of the 3 models shown. Interested to hear your thoughts. Before I wrap this thing up, I am going to get into their pricing. Keep in mind, prices can and usually do change, but will be accurate at the time of posting this video. The Pines has a base price of $361,593. The Hemlock has a base price of $335,430, and the Elm currently doesn't have a base price listed. If you're looking for more in-depth pricing on what they're offering here, they do have a price breakdown on their website. Joyline Homes is a prefab company with models available across the western states. They've got a wide range of sizes with a modern look that I think people will be excited about, so I'll be following along with what they're up to and posting updates right here on my YouTube channel. That's all I've got for today. If you like prefab home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.